Hey guys, want to try Manus AI, the autonomous agent everyone's talking about, but can't join without an invite? In this video, we'll sort you out. So go to the manus.im invitation waitlist. As you can see, this is the page. I'm already on it now. After that, you'll need to sign in with your Google or Apple accounts. Enter your email and detail how you plan to use Manus, and be specific. Mention the tasks. For example, like automating financial reports or building marketing funnels, and why it matters to you. Submit your application and wait 2 to 7 business days. Some users report getting codes within 24 hours when they clearly shared their use case. If approved, you'll receive an email with the invite code and Try Manus button. Click it, log in via email you signed up, and claim your 1,000 free credits to get started. Also, guys, you should never pay for codes. They're appearing on reseller sites for expensive rates. That's pretty much it, and how to score a Manus AI invite code officially and safely. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe and check the description. Good luck exploring Manus, and see you in the next video.